Today's show I am teaching you how to build a CrunchLabs airplane launcher. First, take this wooden piece.
And what do you need to put in there?
2 red bolts. Here. What do I say?
That's step 1. Step 2.
Put these blue pieces
Now, is that how they go on there? There you go. Let's fold that up. Like that?
Yeah.
And so those are using, what's that called when you have teeth like that?
They're called cogs and gears.
Yep. Very nice. So you're done with step 2. What's step 3?
Stick the sticky Darn!
Okay. And there's a circle right there where it goes. And then what sticks to that?
There. Oh, step 4, this.
Okay. And so the holes go on your red. There you go. And then the back, how does the back stick down? Sticky stick. There you go. Okay, step 4, done. Oh, I see what you mean here. That's a tricky one. There we go.
And now, set these 2 wooden pieces here.
And what do you put over the top of them?
Okay.
Oh, 2 glues onto the screws.
Pretty right, eh?
Yes. They'll be our nuts. Do you want to try the other way? I mean, like that. Try. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty,
Lucy.
there you go. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Twist, 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 twist. And we'll twist, 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 twist. I'm holding the back on so the back doesn't turn at the same time. Does that gear still work?
Yes.
Great.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So then, step 6, the yellow piece, where does it go? Oh, in between. And it overlaps the two holes like that. Step 7, what do you need? There you go. Okay, step 8. We're sticking on a round sticky on the end of our yellow piece over the blue prong. Very nice. Okay. Oh wait, this one goes on this side, right?
Sitting.
There you go, on the two outsides. Good job. And then what goes on? True, step 9.
Yeah, please.
The other yellow piece. So good.
Hmm?
And let me push that up from the back for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put that piece on? Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like you have it on the right way and I don't. Here we go. Okay. And then the other side. We've already done step 10.
I love it.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, you heard. Me?
Okay. Does that feel good?
I'm trying.
Okay. What's step 13?
Flip.
Flip. Flip. We're going to flip it over. What does it show us doing in step 14? Putting in blue prongs the other way.
This way?
From the other side. Look, it's showing pushing them up through the bottom. Oh, there you go. That's going to be tricky.
I got it.
Do you want some help? You got it.
Oh.
You got it.
Me. I'm trying. What's going on? Okay. We're gonna dream, eh, baby?
Okay.
And then connect the spring.
Now, the spring gives the machine the ability to store mechanical energy. In this build, an extension spring is what supplies the energy to launch a paper airplane.
I'm trying.
Let's move them close together. There you go. Spring is in.
Got it. This. What?
Okay.
Let me try.
Okay. You can see how this is gonna, the spring stores energy and then lets it go.
It's called elasticity.
Yes. The spring has elasticity that allows it to go out and store that energy up. Okay. What's step 16? These are the light blue pieces. And shows you want the blue piece close to the spring, not away from the spring. Right?
Like this?
Like that. You're doing it perfectly.
You forgot the LY.
Yes. You need the ly because it's an
Adjective. Adverb.
Right. See where these these go?
Will you help me, Daddy?
Sure. Do you want me to do this or do you want to hold the piece? Can you? Oh. It's a tricky one. Okay, one in. Two in. Okay. What's step 17? One of those. And two of, what's step 17?
Yes.
Yeah, but what do you stick to at first?
These things.
Yes. So smart.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay.
It hurts.
Yeah, see this for a second.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, that side's in. Let me turn the turner.
Wait, unraise. Unnotch.
This is good advice for everyone out there. If you're having trouble with something, you can always ask for
How?
And we are done with step
19.
Okay. Step 20.
Use this string.
Yeah. Oh, we're flipping it back over. Flippy flip. There we go.
It's impossible.
Okay.
What? Who's the problem?
Looks like we're making a paper airplane.
Just like the previous episode. Amanda does everything.
Yeah. So, why don't...
Can you help me, Daddy?
1 second. Let's get... Wait. Let's get a piece of... This shows you can scan, and it shows you how to make a paper airplane.
But
Should we just make our own with a piece of paper? Or do you want to use that one?
I want to use this.
Okay. Let's see. I don't know. This is exactly how they do it, but this is how I make a paper airplane. Fold down the middle. Fold in half. So you have it a little bit pointy. Fold in half again, so you're at a quarter. So I took a 90-degree angle and I cut it in half. What's that?
Symmetric.
Yeah. How many degrees is it? If I took a 90 and cut it in half, it's
45.
And then I cut it again, so it's
20.5.
22.5.
Yeah.
Okay. This is not the same as the CrunchLabs airplane, so you can look for that online. So now we take and we stick this on the sides. Oh. Okay. And then we put in a hook. In fact, let's put these inside so that the hook goes inside the airplane. Okay, so now we have a paper airplane with a hook on it.
Yeah.
And that hook goes in here. So, you're gonna grab like this, put your hook in like this. Do you wanna do it?
Yeah.
And shoot it right at the camera? Be careful where you're aiming this, friends at home. Give it a shot. Oh.
Maybe not hard enough. Wow.
Wow! It's a paper airplane shooter.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yeah. Shall we end the show now?
Yes, anything you want to say to folks at home?
Subscribe, like, and share. And to buy Andrew Does Everything merchandise, visit Safari at andrewdoeseverything.com.